Welcome to DependableFlame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to talk about the articles that I write for the website DependableFlame.com, how those articles fit into the grand scheme of what we're trying to accomplish here, and how you can help us toward that end. Writing about cigarette lighters is something that I have done since the beginning, since I created the site. I was writing articles about cigarette lighters long before I was making videos for them. It is an integral part of what I'm trying to accomplish. It's inevitable. There's no way around it. One way or the other, there are going to be descriptions and explanations that need to be made in regards to the lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms that I come across. In the past, we have done articles featuring certain lighters. We have done other articles that focus on a certain repair project for a lighter, clearing the tube in a particular model, or disassembling the actuating mechanism in another. At the current time, I am publishing 2 articles a week. There will be an article every Sunday evening, which will be a journal article, sort of recounting and going back over what I've accomplished over the last week. I may also include some links and other information in this article, perhaps some links to some eBay listings that I found that I thought were interesting over the week, maybe something that I think we could all keep an eye on and watch together. Also, issues that I see arise in the Facebook lighter groups or other places online where folks discuss vintage cigarette lighters. We will touch on those market issues, fluctuating prices on eBay, estate sales, or other online marketplaces. I am constantly overwhelmed by the number and quality of the comments that we get below each video that we publish here on the DependableFlame.com YouTube channel. I've said it before, but it really does humble me that folks take the time out of their day not only to watch the video, but then to compose a response, a question, some sort of a reaction to that video in the comments, where we are then able to have a discussion, a camaraderie, a kinship, and a shared enthusiasm for the hobby that we all enjoy. The one thing that would help build this channel and help grow Dependable Flame as a whole would be for you to take that same fervor and comment on the articles that I post over at DependableFlame.com. There is one article that will be published every Sunday evening. This will be a journal type article where I will recount what I've been doing over the past week. As I said, include some links perhaps, a auction or two that we can all keep an eye on, maybe bring up an issue or two that I have seen going on in the lighter groups, and also just kind of a discussion about the current state of the cigarette lighter hobby and the market for selling those lighters. Then each Wednesday morning, we will also publish another article. This article will focus on a particular lighter, maybe the mechanism of a lighter, maybe it will focus on a repair, maybe we'll talk about the type of paint it has on it or how to treat that paint. Maybe we'll have some about how to handle the leather on old lighters or things like that. You can definitely look for repair type articles and general feature type articles. And if you have any other ideas for lighter care, maintenance, specific projects that you would like for me to write an article about, please, that comment section is a good place to leave any of that feedback. So today I really just have a 2-pronged message. Number one, keep an eye out for those articles that I'll be writing. The last 3 weeks, I believe, there have been 2 published, the Sunday night journal article and the Wednesday morning lighter feature article. You can look for that to continue each Sunday night and Wednesday morning. And then number 2, which this is the most important thing of all, the number one thing that you can do to support Dependable Flame, DependableFlame.com, the entire operation that we have running here. The number one thing that you can do to help grow what we are trying to accomplish is to comment under these articles that we publish twice a week on the regular. Just like we publish video here every weekday morning, 8 a.m., you can rest assured every Sunday evening to see that article popping up there on the website. And then Wednesday morning, you will see the other feature article and have that available for you to read as well. Those comments, the same kind of comments that you leave below the videos every day, are the kind of comments I'm looking for over there. Insights you may have of that certain lighter or the issue at hand, background or experience that you may be privy to that I am ignorant of, whatever the case may be. Let us know about your lighters over there in the comments and respond and react to the subject matter of the individual articles that you read there. I know not everybody wants to go sit over on a website and read all day. Our audience is a pretty educated one though. And while I don't expect everybody to go over there and read the entire article, just like there aren't very many who watch the entire video, whatever you do read will be helpful, and whatever comments you can leave in support would be appreciated as well. You know, a lot of people may think that men who are interested in cigarette lighters might not be the reading type, but if you read down through the comments underneath our videos, you're going to see some pretty deep thought. There's a lot of thought going on into how these cigarette lighters work the way that they do, and whether or not we understand them fully may be another question entirely. But the discussion surrounding that, while it may not be rocket science, it is definitely logical and well thought out. Until next time.